Anyone know what he said? Anyone can say in the comments what this person said. I started videoing from the start of his sentence. So if anyone knows what he said, just write it in the comments, man. I did learn a little bit of Morse when I done my exam, but I can't remember what it all is now. It was, I might have to learn it again actually, it's quite interesting. But to give you all a challenge, yeah, anyone that can work out what he said, put it in the comments.